Hello and welcome to ITC597 Digital Forensics at Charles Sturt University. I'm Tanveer Zia, your subject coordinator. I have set up this Interact site to facilitate this subject. As you can see, when you log in, you will have this navigational bar on the left-hand side and direct link to some of the important aspects of the subject. So by clicking on the introduction link, you will see a short introduction about myself and about this site. And clicking on online meetings will take you directly to the link about the online schedule. So as you can see, we have scheduled 12 online meetings throughout this session of almost every week, and which includes 2 guest speakers, which I'll confirm closer to these dates. These meetings are scheduled on Tuesdays at 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern Australian Eastern Daylight Time. So bear in mind the change of time when we'll switch off the daylight saving at the start of April. Going back to the main menu, so you see that the next link takes you to the textbook, which you should have received already as part of this subject study package. I have also provided the PowerPoints, which are provided by the publisher of this textbook, and these PowerPoints are available in the resources folder, and you can access the resources folder through this link. Now the weekly topics are organized in a way, so you can click on this link, which will take you directly to the weekly topics. As you can see, there are 12 topics, and each topic is organized in this way, starting with the learning objectives for that week, and then giving you an idea about the activities involved in that week, suggested readings, what you need to do, such as reviewing the end of chapter review questions, performing some hands-on projects, and a case study, also asking you to review some of the important aspects to test your understanding of the concept learned in that particular week. There's also a teaser question or topic which I expect that you discuss on the forum, so we call that weekly forum post of the week, and some additional useful links. So you'll find all weekly topics organized in this manner. So going back to our home page of the Interact site, the next link is about the forensics tools. There are quite a few forensics tools provided on the DVD, which comes along with the textbook. Please check your system settings. I mean, most of these tools are compatible with the Windows operating system. I think that's what the DVD has provided. But if you use Mac, so you might have to look for the online website of those tools to find any Mac version. Also check the currency of these tools. Some tools might be a bit older, so you may find most of these tools in demo or free version available from the website. Now the next link is for the subject outline, which you can access in a number of ways, either by going on the left hand side and clicking on the subject outline link, or clicking on the subject outline link in the bottom. So let's click on that, and we'll see subject outlines appear for this session. Okay, I'll directly take you to the schedule of studies, so you can see that the dates and the topic to be covered in that particular week, expected readings and activities, when are the assessments due. Now more information about assessment is available in the assessment information section or assessment items. So there are, as you can see, there are 3 assessments, 2 assignments, 20% plus 30%, and the final exam, which is 50%. We'll spend more time talking about the assessments closer to the due dates, which are available here, and discuss in detail what is expected in these assessment items. Going back to our subject side, it's a bit of information about Interact 2. It's the new learning management tool which CSU started using since last year. So if you are new at CSU, you might want to have a look at this help file to give you a bit of understanding of this new online management system, online learning system. And lastly, I have provided my contact details. My email address is here, my phone number. I am based at CSU Wagga Wagga campus. I have provided my consultation time in case if somebody needs to speak with me over the phone or set up a Skype meeting. I'll strongly encourage that you email me first to set up the time. Okay, now on the left hand side, you can also see discussion forums and link to online meetings. So all online meetings on these particular timings and dates would be accessible through clicking on online meetings link. So when you click on that, that will take you to that particular online meeting room where you will type your name and you enter the room. You can use your CSU ID and password, but remember just note over here that your login ID and password for the online meeting could be different than your CSU login ID and password. Okay, and beside that, you can see the discussion forums here. This is where we expect you to participate every week. So I have created sub forums. First one is the introduction. So that's where I expect you to briefly introduce yourself, your previous qualifications, work, and location if you're comfortable with that. So that will basically help everyone understand who else is enrolled in this subject, where they are, and in case if you would like to set up a study group closer to your location. So that'd be great. This particular sub forum is about the general discussion. I read that, but I'll not regularly participate in the discussion. This is just a sort of like a corridor chat about the subject, what's happening, what's new. And your weekly activities, remember the forum post of the week, so I'll expect you to respond to that in this sub-forum. Any questions, discussion about assessment item 1, use this sub-forum. Similarly for assessment item 2, there's a different sub-forum. And the exam, you will have this forum. Yeah, so I'll expect some really good interaction in this sub-forum. And in fact, the key to high grade in this subject is high interaction with your fellow peers as well as the subject coordinators. Do the weekly readings and look at the current affairs. If you find something useful happening in the news, feel free to discuss that and ponder on your reflection and your ideas. Now, this subject is very popular, in particular due to the hands-on nature. So be prepared for lots of hands-on activities. So have your systems, computers set up and relevant software installed, which are, as I mentioned earlier, on the DVD. I have also provided a short video over here to join the online meetings in case if somebody is completely new to the CSU. Look, that's all, the short video. So I'll look forward to talking to you and meeting with you in the online meeting on the 1st of March at 8 o'clock AEDT. Thank you for listening to short video. Best of luck.